conservation and the beauty of fauna and flora being spread through things like stamps and postcards, and it's so wonderful. And what makes me really happy is to see a lot of students attending this function, and I'm taking this opportunity to share a little message about coexistence. I've been known as a wildlife rescuer for a very long time in Goa, and for the last 23 years I've been so-called rescuing wildlife. And now the thing is that if I can say that rescue is something that is a misconception. 90% of the thing that I've done called rescue is not rescue, right? It's relocating wild animals
Yes.
because people are scared to live with them. That's not rescue. Yeah, but it's just conventionally called
Relocating.
rescue. But unfortunately, we have to do this until people are aware and we can learn to share our space with wild animals. We are meant to share space. Yeah, we are meant to share this planet and coexist with them. Yeah.
सब ठीक तो है वही दिस नॉनसेंस so now basically we can't see anything.
Yeah, so there are simple things like it's not
Sir.
very clear on the screen right now because
Sir, ask them to sit here. All of remove the chairs.
Yeah, please remove the chairs also. It needs to be removed.
Too long.
It's not matter. It has to be done.
News on YouTube channel.
yeah, you just see this picture. We have a lot of buildings. This is in Pancham and Miramar. It is an urban area. You have a building, you have roads there, and then you have these autos right there. You can see the autos. Like people think that autos are rare and stuff like that, but they're adapting. They're trying to survive and share space with others. We should just acknowledge their presence. Most people don't know that these autos are existing in Pancham and Miramar, right? But they're there. They're trying to share space. We are the species that needs to share space with them. Now, unfortunately, these autos are lacking fresh water bodies. They are creeks which are full of sewage and stuff like that.
Very
But
good.
they're there. We
Very
need
good
to
sentence
coexist
for
with them.
public awareness.
Now, to coexist, there are a few things that we need to pay attention to. Okay, one is empathy, then fear, and knowledge. Now, I'll talk about these three ingredients. Okay, if we tackle these three ingredients, we can coexist with wildlife. Okay. Now, talk about fear. Now, we say that we are born with two fears, two innate fears. One is the fear of falling, and one is the fear of loud sounds. And most other fears are instilled into us, consciously or subconsciously. Okay? So now the fear of darkness, for example. We're scared of the darkness. Why are we scared of the darkness? The fear of snakes, the fear of crocodiles, the fear of whatever we're scared of. These are fears instilled. For example, a small child will go into the garden with their parents, and the parents will see a beautiful bird, colorful butterfly, okay, colorful flower. The first thing the child hears about a snake is that don't play in the grass, the snake will bite you. Yeah? So we associate snakes with bite. So we have a fear of snake. Fear of darkness. The fear of darkness is the same. It's an instilled fear. Are they ghosts? What is there in the darkness? So one is fear is instilled into us when we are young. Okay, consciously or subconsciously. And the second is fear is the absence of knowledge. If we do not have knowledge on the subject, we are scared of it. Because we do not know snakes, we are scared of them. Because we do not know leopards and elephants, we are scared of them. Yeah, so if we have a little knowledge, this fear can be removed. Yeah. So I won't take too much of time. I just want to tell you this. Empathy. Empathy is a very important thing. Many of us have grown up with this thing about empathy. We can empathize with our family. We can empathize with our friends. Okay, we can empathize with our pets, dogs, cats, cows. Because we have grown up with them, we're exposed to them. It does not mean that other animals do not have feelings. It does not mean that other animals do not have a need to survive and do not suffer. Yeah. So, like for example, if there is a snake or if there is a scorpion in this place, somebody sees a scorpion, they'll go and they'll kill it. Or a centipede, they'll kill it. But if there is a dog or a cat, nobody
This
will
is
kill it.
Chandra Lawrence?
But why do we feel for the dog and not for the snake or not the scorpion? Because we can't feel the pain of the scorpion. We can't empathize with the pain of the scorpion. We can't empathize with the pain of a centipede. It does not mean they do not feel pain. They feel pain, but we can't empathize because we're not exposed to it. We don't have knowledge about it. Yeah, but we have knowledge about things that we are grown up with or we grow up with. So empathy is important. Empathy is important for all the living creatures. Okay, we need to empathize with a snake, with a monkey, with a crocodile, with a cow, with a dog, with a goat, and with trees. Yeah, we believe with our limited understanding that trees are non-sentient because they don't have a nervous system. The the fact is that trees do feel, they do want to survive. We need to empathize with trees also. So empathy is really important. Yeah? Just a picture, you can see the heart of the snake in this picture. That's put it there. So, as I said, we have to empathize with all living creatures. Okay, once we can empathize with them, we can feel their pain, and then we want to conserve them. Now, we think the animal lovers, most animal lovers, people like us who are conservationists, we can empathize with animals, we can empathize with the wild, but we can't empathize with human beings. Now, the very important thing is for coexistence or conservation, and we need to empathize with human beings. Because it's the community that lives with wild animals, it's the community that lives with nature. So if we can't empathize with people, we can't share coexistence or conservation message. So we need to empathize with people. Yeah. So this is a small girl story. This picture is not a. It's a very sad story. I won't go through it right now. But it's sad. People live in close contact with snakes. We probably live in flats or apartments with snakes won't enter. But